we have to divide the attend wedding before 7 p.m.
Yeah,
So
so
first
time is
our
going
aim has
on
been
to
decided.
Gentlemen, currently the time is 2:45.
2:45.
Our aim
We
is
have to
yet our aim is first we have to attend the competition at Shamgarh, and after that
After
we have
taking
to
leave, we have
reach
to
the marriage in Hira up to the 7 p.m.
yeah, so
And we have
so we can take it.
So first we have the resources, one
By
van.
the help of the fishermen,
First of all, we should decide what our problems are there.
Problems
So
are
first
like-
problem is the unconscious bodyguard at average. Second, the cracks at the at the bridge.
Third, the gang meeting on the ruins at 5 p.m.
at the
And
fourth,
take care of
the train
the.
was coming at the 4 p.m.
Generally, first we are talking about the problems. Then fourth is
It is also
fourth is
First,
that
what we have to notice that fishes.
We have a group
Okay,
of
okay.
9 people. So
can
we
divide
have
it in
10.
We are group of 9 people, and we are at average. The MLA would be carrying two cars.
Two cars.
First we are talking
Because
about.
it is the MLA and it obviously carries two cars. So we can divide ourselves in 3 groups.
First we would
two
give
students
a-
are going with the
Gentlemen, as we are talking about the resources, so we can consider that first we have a van without fuel. Second, the cycle we have that from seat.
from the
Sita,
Sita.
the man is come, the forest guard,
Yeah.
and that chest number 21 is mentioned that MLA will
So actually we are
We can use the MLA vehicles and drivers are also MLA.
Yes, at chest number 34 mentioned very good point that how will the car will going from the footpath to FRH.
So there the car is only restore also. The car is only
FRR
restore or
at the
something
FRR.
else.
Part
the
their
vehicle
car
is-
at the tea
Maybe
stall.
yeah, I agree with
Maybe
you.
there are parts on the
Yeah,
tea
found
stall.
it. Yeah, we have found it.
So we can
Actually,
divide our group in the first.
3, 2 and 1.
4, 3 and
So
We are group of 9 people. So we
people.
divide
Gentlemen, we
ourselves.
can go for 4 3
we are
2.
not
4, 3
we are
and
not
4-3-2.
the divided the group at
4-3-2.
first.
Yes.
4, 3 and
We can go for 4-3-2 as the
Yeah.
two guards are injured. So,
So
4
firstly
people
we-
will go to the FRH and take the guards
And
and
to
take
the guards
them
and
to
people
tea stall
will
as
go
the
and they will
FRH
take
is
them
closer
first
than
and take the
tea
guards and
stall.
take care of the-
We also add the fishermen will coming to the Bira and we can
Gentlemen,
go
first
go
we talk about the
about
main-
We should like gentlemen, we can simultaneously see the two people.
Two people are going with
Yes,
the
yes, nearest
hospital.
yeah,
forest.
we should-
But,
Inform the
gentlemen, my point is that as the train is approaching from Ramgarh to the Hira, so we can go for to the
Actually
Hira.
we
Gentlemen,
Yeah,
we
gentlemen,
can
I think
simultaneously do our work. Like first
Yeah.
group will be carrying bodyguard to
Track was
the
not
first car of the
Yeah.
MLA to Hira, and also inform the police station.
I think
about
Hira is
the
Hira
kidnapped
is
MLA.
much better option.
No,
I think Hira is
as we have to attend the marriage in Hira only, and the railway station is
And
of
also
the
but
Hira only,
Hira.
and the MLA is of the Hira. So
But
everything
these
is linked
bodyguards
with.
are injured and they need immediate
Yeah,
attention.
they,
Gentlemen,
I agree with chest number.
So firstly we can
Is more than
Hira
it is
is-
about
Hira is
10
Other people will go to Hira.
so this
Gentlemen,
is
I
by
think
one
Location
we
of
can
Hira is
Hira.
here. It will take around 15 minutes
Yeah.
to reach there. There must be having some hospital.
The bodyguard is also in very
Okay.
And
serious
also
condition.
there are two vehicles. So one can go
So
to
one
Hira,
One vehicle
other
is-
one can- other can go to Hira.
we
So gentlemen,
don't know
first
that
vehicle
there
is-
are we can't just that there are two vehicles. So we can
So
go for
gentlemen,
how
our
can
parents
First
will
vehicle
to
will be
our-
going to Bira,
Bira.
taking the bodyguard,
Taking the
and
bodyguard.
they will go
They
If
after.
we have van, we could take the petrol from the FRH and then
Yes. Make
fill
available
up
the-
the-
Why
we
we
taken
have
cycle.
taken-
We also taken the cycle also so from the Sita is
And two people
cycle
will
is
share
also
the
be there.
petrol
So we can-
Gentlemen, I think that the work will be simultaneously
Simultaneously.
when the people are going to Bira, taking
The second
bodyguard,
group will be
the
carrying
second
its
group will be
bodyguard.
taking the second car of the MLA to Ramgarh about
So
the-
gentlemen, we can
We should go to Hira.
we can
Hira.
do that.
We can go-
We can
we should go
the
Ramgarh, we can go to Hira.
But gentlemen,
The
the
three-
train is coming from Ramgarh.
So
So,
actually we
yeah,
are
Hira-
from the authority of the
Hira
Ramgarh,
Surat
they
is
can
in
stop the
Ramgarh
train there
station.
only. See,
But
there is man level crossing.
Track
There
was
must be
not-
some- there must be some men over there
Yes.
by the
And,
railway authorities. We can inform
We
them.
can inform
But the
them.
train is coming for Ramgarh. It is
So, the railway
Gentlemen,
station
Ram-
is-
Ram-
The
Gentlemen, first we
railway authorities of Hira can inform the
Gentlemen, as the train is approaching from Ramgarh to Hira by 4 p.m., so we can go to the MLC and inform the guard which will be there, who will
adjust the
But,
track
but
also.
gentlemen, at
track
MLC,
out
the
also.
bridge is before the MLC.
yes before, but he have the system to
He has
connect
the
with
system
the
to connect with
railway
the-
system.
Yeah,
But
railway
the
system.
network is not available
So
as per
we
the
can
available
also-
at
So
He
I
have
think
the-
I have a my notion we should go to Hira railway station, and from the railway station to railway station they can communicate.
But
from
gentlemen,
railway-
we don't have any network connected as
I am
well.
in
Network
Hira,
is
in
network
Hira.
is not-
I am not in the
Gentlemen, I have a- Gentlemen, I have to add a point.
Provided the information, we can give the information.
Gentlemen, we
It's
are-
like we are going, let it go, and we inform the authorities of Hira only. And but
Gentlemen,
the train is
not-
coming for Ramgarh.
Gentlemen,
No,
I
no,
want to add a point
Add
that
Bira also.
three people of group will go to the Bira by taking the guards with them, and
Yeah.
the other group of 4 will go to the Hira and
Yeah.
inform the police authorities
authorities.
about the MLA kidnap and the about the railway that
Railway
bridge is
track-
broken.
Gentlemen,
We also
I
have
think
to
I have a
fishermen.
better plan that the people who have admitted the bodyguard in Bira can come to Hira, and the people can directly go to Ramgarh, as at 4 p.m. only the train will be reaching to the bridge. It will be
I don't think
Yeah,
that
gentlemen,
they
I
need to
agree.
go there because
I agree to
think
chest
they are-
number
they are-
21.
They are responsible for them that
Yeah.
for that, and they will take actions accordingly.
take action
So our duty
accordingly.
was to inform them
We should add
Man,
inform
man
at
level
the
crossing
earliest.
must be having some,
also
having some
they
guards and
they
all.
must be having their own
I
vehicles,
think
so they
gentlemen-
are
Our
responsible.
responsibility
the
is only
bridge
to inform them. They are only.
Or we
they
can
are
inform the
encouraging
Hira
individually
Plus,
they
Hira-
are
if
taking-
everyone is going to the informing the MLC, then we can.
Or we can inform at the Hira railway station. It can communicate in the.
We have
railway
already
station.
discussed that we will go.
But the at
But
MLC there is no
gentlemen-
communication system, no.
So okay, gentlemen, the group will be at Bira, and second group will be going to Hira, informing the authorities about. First of all, they will go to MLC about the railway track condition at the bridge. Second, and they will.
The same group will go to the
to Hira
Yeah.
about the about
MLA.
About the MLA
Yeah.
kidnap and the meeting on the ruins about the 5
At
p.m.
5 p.m.
And
5 p.m.
they will also inform about the breeze cracks that has Sita from Sita villager has come and inform them, and then they will talk to the railway authorities, and they will
So before 5
They will-
p.m. we go
And the
also
last,
to Ramgarh.
the last group
At the
will
Ramgarh to
will take care of the features
So
of the
10
fishermen.
gentlemen, we have to reach
For that.
Instead of directly informing the Ramgarh police, we can also contact the Sita police about the archaeological ruins.
No, gentlemen,
It's a village.
if Sitapuri have the
Sita is a
police,
village,
then
gentlemen.
Why the villager
why the villager will come to the tea stall and tell
Yeah, he
about
will
that.
directly inform the.
He will directly inform the police.
Yeah.
So
We
we
would have
attend
done- would have done that
we
also.
attend our competition at the
So
Ramgarh
gentlemen,
at 5 p.m.
as,
before 5 p.m. So we
As
can-
Hira is
how-
15 kilometers
how to
away,
come
so
little-
we are about half hour. We have we will
gentlemen, from the tea stall, the Hira is about 25 to 28 kilometers.
yes.
So
So half
it
an
will
hour
take-
will be
it will
there.
It will take half an hour.
Half an hour
half
to
an hour.
reach the Hira.
We have the car. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the people who are taking bodyguard to Bira will be taking
Hira is
around
15 kilometers.
about 20 minutes and 15 minutes around.
15 minutes are to be there.
20 minutes.
No, no,
Wait,
they
we can
will
take
take more than
20
that
minutes.
because they will be going on foot to FRH, and then they will be carrying the bodyguards, then putting it
They,
into the car.
okay,
and
they
then
can film
Then
40,
they-
42 minutes.
Gentlemen, I think
45 minutes.
I
So 1
think
hour is
they have to
left
reach
of
at
45 p.m.
the marriage at 7 p.m. and now they will
Before-
reach at
before
Bira
that, they
near
have to go
about
to the Sham.
I think
Near about
they will. I think
we
they
all
will
are
done
go
all
for
this
the
in
45
around 1.5 hour or 1
competition.
hour. I think they can do all this. They can meet after 1 hour at
1
tea
hour
stall
at
and go to Shamgarh
For
to
the
attend the
competition.
competition there to attend.
And after competition is also
Then
left.
gentlemen, how will the group of who went to Hira how will they come to competition? So we can do that. They will leave the competition. They will not attend the competition
But gentlemen,
as it is not
Competition
necessary.
attending is important.
Very
But gentlemen,
very
Gentlemen, we do not have
We
the
have
any
joined them.
timings and what the competition is about. So we can leave that
We have not been
topic.
given the time of competition,
Yes.
so we cannot take that into consideration.
Yes, I agree to chess number
Yeah.
34 that there is
I
no
don't know,
timings.
we don't know that.
Yeah, we don't know.
Okay,
As
gentlemen.
December 21, I said that we are left with 1.5 hour, so we can go with
We
the
can go
Like
with
around
the
4
timing.
o'clock.
Yeah.
our responsibility is
Going
to
to Shamnagar, how much time will it take?
go and be
Just
present
consider
here.
it, how it
It
is.
will
It will take around
Ramgarh
45 to 1 hour.
Gentlemen, gentlemen,
Because
as
it
you
is
are
50
missing,
kilometers are to be there.
They just don't need to
It
go
is-
there to also has to
Yeah.
Our recommended is
It
go
is
and
gentleman
we
has
are
the
present
point
at our-
that
we do not have, we do not.
But gentlemen,
I am saying how to see the kilometers and decide how much time
They have
will
to
take.
come
They
back.
have to
Any
go and they
timings
will
are
come
not
back.
given.
And that
It
will
will
be
take
2 to 3 hours.
And even they have to stop at
As you
their-
have already mentioned that our van which got
We are not
which will
ignoring
be-
all
They
the
have
tasks. We are
already used.
ignoring one
So
task
that is
only.
going to Hira and
the
the
fuel will be used
the
by our
van
us
is
only.
already going to Hira and the MLA's car has been taken to Bira. Okay, so-
the person who had gone to Bira will also bring
Carry the fuel.
carry the
Carry
fuel
fuel
to tea stall so that they can
and-
refuel their van.
I-
And the person who are gone to Hira about information.
Generally, we can.
Giving the information about the MLA kidnap,
MLA
they will come back to tea stall, parking the MLA vehicle there, and
Go
they
to
will
the
get
So, gentlemen, we can.
into a single van and they will go to Hira.
So, gentlemen, we can reconsider it.
At the competition site.
But the
But
competition side
gentlemen,
is going on now.
going to Shambar, it will take around
We have
1
to-
hour to
we have
going
to
and 1 hour of
attend
coming
the-
back.
and also we have
And
to
also the
attend
timing
the-
is
No
not-
timings are given.
We
Gentlemen,
have
you
to
are
attend the
not trying to
competition for
understand.
1 hour or 30 minutes.
We cannot decide 3 to that 4 we are hours with participating competition and
We have to participate, it is our task.
But timings are not mentioned. Then how will you reaching?
And it is very far.
It is already not mentioned.
It is not necessary to put.
It is very unnecessary to add another
Competition
problem.
is necessary, but the marriage is not
Yeah,
necessary. So we can left
But
it very
gentlemen are
good.
meeting for attend our marriage at 7.
Yeah, basically
It's not our
It is
main.
not a problem. It is a
But we
task
don't
for
Main
have
task
time.
is not to attend the marriage. We are the
Gentlemen,
main.
I think first we can consider that first we will save the bodyguards who have badly injured. They will go with the van to the Hira and
Completely
the
agree on
along the this group the 4 people of 3 people of group will go going to Bira.
will carry
With
the
the help-
Bodyguards will
Carry the
Sorry,
bodyguard in the
the
Bira,
the
the guards will carrying
then go to the
the
Hira.
injured guards will go to Bira by the help of 4 people and 3 people will go to Hira and they will inform the police
Also taken
authorities
some
about
fuel.
the
Stay-
MLA
fuel also
kidnap
taken
and
from
the
Bira.
crack on bridge. And the 3 people will stay there at.
I think two people.
I think the people who go to Bira, they can go to the Shampoo.
They must also look after
They must
the
also
people.
look after whether
I think the people who go to Bira,
Yes,
they can go to
that
the
they will
Shampoo,
inform the
police and they will
police
archaeology
archaeology
ruins,
ruins,
yeah.
guard.
Cycle. And
Yes.
those 2 persons can use the cycle and go to the archaeological ruins. There they can, from a
police
safe
can
distance,
handle
keep
the
an eye on the
situation.
MLA.
And
They
will inform the matter about the peoples are there on ruins that it is astrological place. Then
they watch the activities of the road.
2.5 hours of the time.
So at
And
by the
time
hours
we-
will be
by-
enough.
by the
Five
time
or
we
five
complete
thirty,
our
we can reach to the
by the
Shampoo.
time we complete
So-
our whole work,
And I think
we
that
will
they
be left
will
with
be
2 hours
able to
to
meet
2 hours.
at tea stall at 5 o'clock around. We can see that 5:30 around. And they after refueling the people who come from Bira, they will refueling the van and they all will be going to Hira around, and it will take around them
Gentlemen,
around 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
At
Yeah.
Yes, then-
reaching the 5. At 5,
and they will reach Hira up to 6:30 or
But
6:45.
gentlemen, we have to attend before 7. We have to go to Hira before 7
We
p.m.
have to
But it will
perform
take to
the
1 hour, 1.5 hour to go to Shamnagar, and also
Yeah.
we have to come back. So it will take around
Yeah, yes,
3 hours
yes,
to 2
yes,
hours.
we have to ask
50 kilometers will not take 1.5 hours according to me. As we have
As we will,
as
as the group
kilometers
will, as the group
But
was
two hours,
planning, so
when
it
we
will
go to
take
Bangkok, we have
15
to
minutes
attend
on the
30
tea
minutes
stall
on the
only.
It is our
So,
responsibility.
But
the
gentlemen,
time
it is
was,
not written in our narration that we have already attended competition or we have to attend the competition.
gentlemen,
No,
as
we don't want to
as
attend
we,
the competition.
It is mentioned.
gentlemen,
We
as
also
we,
left the
We
competition
are
so
going
for
for
that.
the
gentlemen, as we decide the task, then it will take more than 15 minutes. Then there will be time of 3 p.m.
We have to go there.
No, gentlemen, you are not understanding point that in the narration there is not written the timings of or we have
Competition taking.
appear for the competition or we have to appear.
But it
Yeah,
is
so
mentioned
we-
that we are going
to
we are going to
And
Shamgar.
the van
then
is
there
broken down.
competition and we have not gone there still. We are at tea stall.
So what you are
have to
saying
go
that we
there.
have to go to Shamgar to attend the competition.
Yes.
Yes.
It
it
will
is.
take around
and we will
It is
and
taken
gentlemen,
in the
oh, gentlemen,
1.5
hour
hour.
of coming.
Competition, 1 hour of coming back. So it will take 3
3
hours.
hours, 3 hours, minimum 3 hours.
We cannot.
Gentlemen,
we
up
cannot
to
judge
7 we
1
have
hour
to
will
reach
take
Hirapur.
Yeah, yeah.
And
there.
Hirapur is 15 kilometers and our
Yeah,
groups is
authorities
divided
are
in
there.
3 parts.
I am
Our
saying
groups
this.
are divided in 3 parts. So how will they communicate as the mobile service are also not there?
So I am
So
saying
we
always no.
can skip the part of
Skip the part
going
of
to the
competition.
I am
Shamnagar.
saying this only.
I think we
Gentlemen,
need to divide
at
our
like
group into
4:30
four
we
parts
can
because
meet
we
at
have
tea
four
stall
problems.
and then
Two
also
people need
attend
to
the
go to the
Shamgad
Arcot
competition
village,
also.
one needs to go to the fisherman village, and three are going to the Bira, and three other are going to the Hira. So
Yes.
that
Yeah.
is how we must divide our group.
And as we
Yeah,
have the a person from FRH also, so with
Who
the
gave
guards.
who gave the information about
Yes, from
the
the-
terrorist, we should also take him to the Hira. That
And
he will give
he
the-
will
that what
give
are
a
the
whole brief
terrorist
about the
organization,
what
yeah.
happened on the FRH, how the
He will
MLA
help the
kidnapped and
police
the
authorities.
what persons are
He
there.
can help the police authorities.
And after the police authority and the guard reaches there, we can come back to the tea stall,
Hira.
the people who had gone to archaeologists and also the people who have gone to Hira, they will pick up the people from archaeologists
I think-
and come back to tea stall.
Between their way, they
Gentlemen,
inform
we have to
the
wait.
As the whole group is
Gentlemen, we
going
have
to
to wait
Hira,
till the
skipping
fisherman
the Shamgad, I'm going with the group that we should go with the Hira.
Gentlemen, we have to wait till the fisherman from Hira came that and we hand over the fisheries to him and then after we can head towards the Hira.
So we are leaving
Gentlemen,
one
the
person
work
as
we are
just number
doing, it
34.
will take around 2 hours.
Yes.
And in 2
One
hours, the
person
second
will be
coming
standing.
back from
With
Hira.
the group of the Hira, he can also come that Along with him, He along can with the group. handle over
He
the
will also
fisheries
go
and
to
also
along the Hira by as he also have work in the Hira. He will going with our group and they will inform the police authorities and the railway authorities.
And we can
Hira.
At approx 5:30 to 5:45 we will reach to tea stall and then
And after
whole
that-
group will united and will reach up to 6:45
after
or
refilling the
6:50
van,
to
after
the
refilling
Hira.
the van, we can reach to Hira and about
6:45 or
6:40.
6:50.
Yes.
Okay, so now let us summarize our solutions. So first, group of B will be providing first aid to the injured bodyguards and FRS, and then they will be carrying them in one of the MLS cars to Hira for the hospitalization. And then they will another group of B will be going to Hira to inform the police about the MLS kidnapping.
Before that, we are going to about the
MLC.
MLC and
MLC.
also the railway authorities.
And
As you all
MLC
mentioned that
and
we are not
MLC.
going to Ramkot.
And I think at
Just a
MLC
minute, we should mention also the timings of the 12 kilometers.
the person at MLC will make the signal red so that the train cannot come.
For one group to go at Hira and came back at tea stall, and for another group
Gentlemen, our group of 2 people will also going to the ruins.
So 4 people go head towards the Hira and from there 2 people go to the
Not Hira to
I think
4
gentlemen,
people, not
it is
3
not
people.
necessary for us
3
to
people.
Two
3
people
people.
from there that
Gentlemen,
diverted.
as 3 people will go to Hira and one of the
So how
person
can-
will be the fisherman.
So how can 2 people go to the
We have the 9 members. Then we will distribute it 4, 3, 2, 1.
then 4 people go to Hira but from that
4-3-2.
diverted
We are divided in 4-3-2.
Gentlemen,
we
I
will
think it is
consider
not
yes,
necessary for us to
3-2.
go to and keep an eye on the terrorists because we
Yeah.
already know that they will be gathering at 5
Yeah, I
p.m.
think
at the
so.
But
We
they
have
will
to
go
go
and
we have to
they
directly
will
go
not
with
wait
the-
there. They will go and inform the guards of the ruins. As they, it is a
At the-
storage.
But gentlemen, the
The
guard
guard-
will
the
not
guard-
go
guard
with
is
the
not
guard,
there,
they
they
are
are-
gang-
I think
we have
I
to go
think
with
we
the
should not go
force of
there.
the police.
Okay, I agree that
The
your
location was decided by
It is
kidnappers.
different place. Ruins does not have.
Does not have
guards.
what I think we
So
should
then
not go there.
We should not risk our life and we
No,
should go to
no,
Hira directly and
directly
inform the
and
police. Go with the
police.
We will
police.
take
there.
any action.
Police
Police
are
handle this we can take any action.
So we can go for that. We have group of 4, 3, 2. And
Yeah.
the 4 people will going along with the bodyguards, the injured bodyguards to the Bira, and 3 people will going to the
Hira.
inform the police authorities at Hira and the railway authorities, and 2 people will stay at Fisherman village. Fisherman
to
village.
look after fishes.
Yes. And after they meet at the stall about 5:45 or 5:50, and they will left from
To
there
Hira.
to Hira and will reach 6:45 to 6:50.
And they will-
So we can nominate just number 19.
Number 9.
So, sir, our after our group discussion, we came to a common solution that first of all we are a group of 9 that are available that are here at tea stall. So we divide our group in 3, 4, 3, 2. First 4 will provide first aid to the bodyguard, and then they will take it to the Bira hospital, and then meanwhile the another group will inform the MLC about the condition of the railway bridge and then they will move to Hira to inform the police about the kidnapping of the archaeological ruins of MLA about the and the meeting of the kidnappers at archaeological ruins. Meanwhile, the a group of two will help the fishermen's village in will help the fishermen and will in maintaining its fisheries. And in all of this, they will be gathering here at tea stall at around 4:30 p.m. or around 4:45 p.m. And on the way, they will be going to Shamgarh and attend the competition and will be returning to Hira by around 7 p.m.
Not able to write your full solution. Don't worry about it. You should narrate it. What can be the other thing? Other thing is, हो सकता है you may not been able to speak first, you may not been able to speak second, you may not been able to speak third. So what will happen? Suppose you are at fourth number or at the third number. The problems you wanted to tell or the solution you wanted to tell has already been told by these two people. So what you should do? तुम्हारे पास तो बोलने के लिए कुछ रहा ही नहीं है, तो क्या करना चाहिए? Who can tell me? क्या करना चाहिए?
Sir, we can say that agreeing to the point of chess number this, and in addition, I would like to say.
You can say, कि gentlemen, my plan is also same, is exactly same as been told by chess number 1 and 2. Solution is also same, but alternatively, if you want to do it, we can do it alternatively like this also. This plant from here we can go alternatively by other means of transport, or how should we inform, etc. That things can be given. Take an example. Suppose I have told about MLC. Now somebody can what he can do, that we can go to, as it is we are going to Shamgarh. वहाँ से टेलीफोन लाइन तो यहाँ नहीं है ना, शामगढ़ से तो हो जाएगा कनेक्शन. और यू गो टू बीरा, जा सकते हो कि नहीं जा सकते हो. और यू गो टू हीरा, विच एवर थिंग इज देयर. हीरा में क्या है? देयर इज ए रेलवे स्टेशन. सो will it be more distant this side or it will be more distant this side from here? What is the distance of Ramgarh from tea stall? Tea stall, what is the distance?
Around 30 kilometers.
Now, also please keep in mind these distances which are written, they are from here, not from tea stall. Some of you have a doubt, sir, ये distance तो tea stall से होगा, तो फिर tea stall से होगा तो यहाँ क्यों लिखा है ये? Why it is written here? It could have been written here. So, depending on the scale, you should see how much is the distance. If it is 35, and from here, what is the distance? It is almost. So you have to decide which way I should go so that I can take less time and I can come back. What is happening again you have to meet at a place. That you have to decide whether you want to meet here or you want to meet here. Whichever thing is there, you have to keep these things in mind. Understood? Also, when I had seen that you have made a circle like this, semicircle. Always when you sit, you should sit in such a manner that you are able to see the board which is there. Somebody has written the solution, somebody was not able to write this much. So during the discussion, you should be able to, you should narrate the complete things to whatever problems or solution which were there during the discussion. It is like that only. And also don't worry that when you write or tum pura nahi likh paya, just don't worry about it. But what you should do, only one page will be given to you. So what you should do, if you want to utilize, so you write aim, problems as priority, यहाँ लिख दो. If you want to write resource available, इधर resource available लिख सकते हो, so that you have more time to write your solution which is there. Understood?